friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 6 chapter 1 numbers exercise 1E question 6. What numbers will be rounded off to each of the following thousands? So we have to tell that what are the numbers that can be rounded off to this thousand, right? That means what are those list of numbers when you round them off to the nearest thousands, you will get this as your answer or this as your answer for the different parts, right? So we have studied the rules that if the digit at the hundreds place is greater than or equal to 5, then you will do +1, and digits to right of thousand place becomes 0. So this is the rule, and if it is less than 5, then simply digits to right of thousand place become 0. Now see that if I have the number given to me and I have to tell if I have, what will I get on rounding it off to the nearest thousands, I will look at the digit at the hundreds place. Same here also. In the first part you have 11,000. So what numbers can come in 11,000? So you know, two types of numbers will come definitely. Some numbers will be less than 11,000, some numbers will be more than 11,000. First let's look at the numbers less than 11,000. So what will I get? See, if my hundreds place has to be what? 5. Okay, it has to be 5, and rest of the number should be less than 11,000. Okay, but with the condition that on rounding off I get 11,000. So what I will do? I will write here 10 and here 00. 5 is already at hundreds place, and numbers to the left, your your thousands place and 10,000s place, I have put 10,000 there, and here you can see 00, right? So what do you get here? 10,500. What are the conditions? My digit at the hundreds place is 5 and my number is less than 11,000, and on rounding off to nearest thousand I will get 11,000. So this is the least number, right? This is the least number. And why only the digit at hundreds place is 5? Because when I am rounding off, my number is less than 11,000. So for it to give me 11,000, it has to be +1. 10 plus 1, 11. That is why what I have done, I have equaled it to 5. So this is the smallest number that can be rounded off to 11,000. 10,500. Now to what number can I do this? So 10,500 to all the numbers greater than 10,500 but less than 11,000. So 10,999, right? These were the numbers less than 11,000 and numbers more than 11,000. So again, in numbers more than 11,000, my hundreds place will change. What will my hundreds place be? My hundreds place can at maximum be what? 4. Why 4? Because 4 is the digit till which what will happen? My digit at the thousands place will not change. So here I will have 11 because my number is greater than 11,000. So in thousands place 11, and at tens and ones place 0. And why 4? Because I have to keep it till 11,000. If I have 5, then 11 will become 12, which we don't want. So 11,000 what? 400. But actually what number will we begin with? This 402 will also become 499. Why? Because I have to take the greatest number. So 11,499 is the greatest number. If you will go above this, you will get 11,500, which is going to give you 12,000. We don't need that because 5 is at hundreds place. So, and now 11,001. We will begin from 11,001 to this number, that is the maximum number, right? We just need to know the smallest limit and the maximum limit, and we will be done. And you can do this two part by yourself only. So rest of the numbers that lie in between, you just have to put them in 2. So 10,500 to 10,099, 11,001 to 11,499. See the second part. You have what? 20,000. Right? You don't need to write this down, it's just for explanation part, right? So 20,000, again two types of numbers can be rounded off, less than 20,000 and greater than 20,000. Let's begin with less than 20,000. So less than 20,000, my digit at the hundreds place should be what? 5. It should be 5 to give me 20,000. And since it is less than 20, so the first number that comes before 20 will be 19. So 19, 5, right? And what else will come and ones and tens place? 0, 0. This is my smallest number. If I will go below this, I will get 19,499, which will give me 19,000. But if I will go above this, all the numbers will give me 20,000. So first is my lower limit, right? You can say 19,500 to, and whatever number lie between 19,500 and 20,000 will come here. So 19,599. Okay, this is sorry, not 599, 19,999, right? So 499 numbers over here. And now numbers more than 20,000. So what can be the numbers more than 20,000? First of all, more than 20,000 does not mean that 20,000 will change. 20,000 will be there, but these digits will change. So 20,000, and let's begin from 1. 20,001, this we all know. Now see, this is the lower limit, so 20,000 and 1, 2. Now here most of the people get stuck. You have to take the maximum number that can be rounded off. So you will put here 4, right? If I have 5, it will give me 21. No. If I have 4, it will keep it till 20. And what will you put at ones and tens place? 0, 0. No. You will put 99. This is the greatest number, right? So hundreds place should not change, and this has to be the greatest also. 499. 20,499. That's it. Now third part is what? 4,000. Same way we will do this also. First let's look at numbers less than 4,000 that can be rounded off to give us 4,000, right? So add the nearest thousands. So see, 4,000, what can come here? First of all, less than 4,000, first digit will be at the thousands place 3, because 3,000 then 4,000, so 3. Then at hundreds place, the least number that can come is going to be 5, because 5 will be there, then only 3 will become 4 and rest number will become 0. And you want smallest number, so you will put zeros here. This will not affect the answer. So 3,500 is your lower limit. 3,500 to what? To 3,000, whatever this number minus 1 simply. So 3,999, this is your limit. Okay, and all these numbers are less than 4,000, and on rounding off will give you 4,000. Now see the next ones. And so 4,000, now numbers will be more than 4,000. So 4 will not change, only the digits after 4 will change. So hundreds place, at maximum it can be 4, right? Why maximum 4? Because if I have 5, then I will get 5,000, which we don't want. And if I have 4, this 4 will never change, only the numbers after will change. And ones tens will become 99, because I want the greatest number. So first of all, you have 4,001, right? Like I said, you have to plus 1 and then begin your answer. 4,499, right? This is the simple way of doing these questions, right? Again, we don't need this, and we don't need this as well, right? Now see, the last part is the fourth part. You have here what? 68,000. So again, go the two ways possible: less than 68,000, more than 68,000, which is what? See here, 68,000. So first of all, you will have again digit at the hundreds place will be 5. The least number will be 5. So you'll have 67,000, because if you go less than 68 you get 67, and digit at the hundreds place 5, and rest of the number 00, right, like we have done in every part. 267,999, and now numbers more than 68,000, so first number will be 68,001. Now see the upper limit, right? So 68,000, this can be 5, hundreds place can be 5, like we have done in these parts, but what will happen, you will get 69,000. So what can we do? We have to reduce it to 4, as you can see here. So 4, so that means hundreds place will be 4, 68 will be as it is, and I want the upper limit, the greatest number, so we cannot put 00, we can put here 99, and that is it. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.